Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's start the video. Friend, if you are whole day English learner, you keep learning English whole day by doing different activity like learning English, speaking, reading, writing, etc. So to I want you to do something, and for that you have to take out 10 or 15 minutes or even 5 minutes every day. Okay, not only for one day but for every day with consistency. So if you are whole day learner and you keep learning English whole day, so just you have to take out 10 minutes. Okay, and what you have to do in 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you, my dear friend. In 10 minutes you have to sit silently. Firstly you have to find a peaceful environment and sit there silently and keep yourself away from English book, even your mobile phone, alone. Okay, you have to do this activity. Why you have to do this activity? First, let me tell you one and give you one example. My dear friend, if you want to see the dirt in the water, you will have to wait to become that water, then you can see the dirt inside the water. But if water is moving, you can't see. जब पानी जो है गति में है, वो हलचल हो रही है पानी में, तो आप जो है मिट्टी नहीं देख पाएंगे उस पानी के अंदर। बट जब पानी शांत है तभी जो है उस पानी के अंदर जो है वो मिट्टी आपको दिखाई देगा उसके सतह पे। सो similarly my dear friend, if you are a whole day learner, you keep learning whole day, so you are busy. Okay, we all are busy with different work with our learning, and that's how we are not focusing on our ideas. Every day my dear friend, we get new ideas, great ideas. But why we don't focus on them? Because we are in rush, we are in race, we are in entangled, we are doing hard work, and all the time we are busy. If we have free time, so that time we take our phone and start in scrolling something instead of spending time with ourselves. खुद के साथ टाइम बिताने के बजाय हम अपना फ़ोन लेकर बैठ जाते हैं whenever we have free time. So in this way we can't see our thought, ideas which comes in our mind. For that we will have to be calm. You will have to be calm and sit silently. Then we will observe our thought, and then we will observe those ideas which we get every day in our mind. Then we will find great ideas, new ideas, and that will help us in our career, in learning. We do hard work, but we also need to do a smart work. Okay, hard work and then smart work, both we have to do. But smartness, how it will come? When we will sit silently, observe the thought, observe the peoples, observe the surrounding, then we will get the unique and different ideas. And then if we implement in our learning process, in our career, that will make us unique and different and smart. So everybody in a race. Okay, भीड़ में जो है हम सब उलझे हुए हैं, दौड़ रहे हैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक, अपनी लर्निंग में, वर्क में अब जो है हम बिजी हैं, बट इन दिस वे हम लोग जो है खुद को टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, खुद को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, अपने एनवायरनमेंट को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, अपने जो है सराउंडिंग को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो इफ़ यू गिव योर सेल्फ such 10-minute times every day, then you will able to observe, and you will observe that things which other people are not able to see. आप वो चीज़ें भी देख पाएंगे जो दूसरे लोग, हमारे आसपास के लोग जो हैं वो नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, वो उलझे पड़े हैं. वो चीज़ें जो है आप देख पाएंगे, ऑब्जर्व कर पाएंगे जब आप खुद को 10 मिनट टाइम देते हैं, 15 मिनट टाइम देते हैं ऐसे शांत और साइलेंटली बैठने के लिए. तभी जो है हम वो चीज़ें देख पाएंगे, बिल्कुल वो उस पानी की डॉट को जैसे हम देख सकते हैं. जब वो पानी काम होता है तभी हम उसको देख सकते हैं. तो वैसे ही हमारे ज़िंदगी में भी हमारे पास बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज़. वी गेट अ ग्रेट आइडियाज़ एवरी डे. वी कैन फाइंड एनी न्यू थिंग, बट फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डू ऑब्जर्वेशन. And how it will be when we will sit silently away from the work, phone, people, then we will able to see that one in calmness we can get that thing. I'm not telling this for only who learns English whole day. I'm telling this for everybody. Okay, a learner has also different responsibility. So we all are busy whole day in our life, and when we have free time, that time we use our phone. So instead of that, we have to use 10-minute free time for ourselves, for our self improvement. Okay, then we will do it, achieve it. That will help us to grow ourselves and our learning, our career as well. जब हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं तो हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, तभी ना हमें कुछ आइडियाज़ मिलेगा कि अच्छा इसमें ऐसा इम्प्लीमेंट करके देखते हैं तो ये ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा. देन वी विल डू. बट आप सुबह से शाम तक दौड़ रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं, यू वॉन्ट एबल टू सी एंड इम्प्लीमेंट. सो इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू grow fast, okay, grow fast by doing hard work and smart work, then you must do it, follow it. I also don't follow, my dear friend, but I got to know it. I have heard it many of time, but those time it didn't hit in me, inside me. But 2-3 days I listened and it hit me insidely. I thought, yeah, it's so good. Then I thought, why not to share this thing to my co-learner. क्योंकि हम ऐसा चीज़ें जो है सुनते हैं, बहुत बड़े मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर से सुनते हैं, बट हमारे जैसे कोई कुछ बताता है ना तो हम उसकी बातें जल्दी समझ में आता है. हमें अपनी भाषा जो है जल्दी समझ में आता है, अपने जैसे लोगों की बातें जल्दी समझ में आता है, rather than so professional people. I thought, why not? I should share it. It's really important. I don't do, but I'm also going to do it, and you also have to. And then we will learn in this way, fast way, by doing hard work, smart work, and create something new ideas, new possibility. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you, then bye bye, we will meet in next video.